Hey gang, welcome back. Well, today we're going to be looking at an interesting little thumbnail project that I was working on. Right, anyway, I'm Pope Kael. People do call me Wazza, right? You're welcome to drop in any time, right, and say hello. We do have a Discord channel. This is Garage Alchemy, and this is where we do weird shit with LLM stuff, okay? Anyway, getting right into it. Okay, today, well, let's look at let's get this thing here sorted out over here. So this is what I did. We went to a motor show on Saturday. Me and Jerry, we decided, well, we love these custom hot rod shows here that they have in Bangkok. And as I was editing the video, I came across this particular shot. I knew I shot it, of course. I pulled it out of the actual reel. I thought it'd probably make a pretty good thumbnail shot, And I go, okay, Megan, we're going to do something a little bit different today. I actually started this one here from the thumbnail rather than from giving her the normal prompting and everything else. So, and it just basically, without much encouragement, it just threw this up, and well, I could use that straight as it is. So I used it and put it on a thumbnail. I quickly just going over to my my other side. I still do some of this work on Photoshop. Yeah, so that's where we laid it up with a bit of a yellow border. I put a little tag on the top there. It was a try videos. This is again for the other side of YouTube. YouTube's a bit of a strange element now where you've really got to compartmentalize everything. Anyway, so I threw that up and I go, well, this is pretty good. I'm very happy with that. Yes. So we had this image and I go, well, I was very happy with it. I asked a few questions about why and everything else. We just explored the whole idea. But I thought, well, was it just a one-off? Because sometimes you just think about this stuff and you go, I'm sure that was a one-off. So I took it over to my Patreon stuff. This is stuff I started doing at the end of last year, which is separating my random content from our weekly, having lunch videos, which is what the main audience seem to gravitate to. So anything that gets outside that algorithm sort of metric of having lunch, talking about something about Thailand, well, it gets, it penalizes you on YouTube. So I thought, well, let's put it all on Patreon because some of my audience actually likes that sort of stuff, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so, those thumbnails weren't much to talk about. There's one there. I was talking about me using LLMs. So, yep, was all okay. I gave it that image, and I said, can you do something with that? And it threw this up, and we talked about it. And, yeah, I'm actually, there you go. That was 5.1 days. What are we now, 5.5? Time flies, man. That was only sort of December, December, wasn't it? Anyway, yes, and so it broke down, gave me a few ideas to, again, it's just a discussion, and it just did it, okay? Next one, let's just not argue. It's doing something. So I said, this is the next one we had. Here's the image that in the video. You can use that. And there's the title, the description, and it did that. And I'm going, yes, I could use that as well. That's not a problem. That's usable. Yes, okay. So we just kept on firing them off, and look, love it. I'm not even steering this stuff. This one here was a little bit on the offside from the original, the source material. Yeah, I gave it that image there, which is a really bad image. Again, it was a front of the computer, sort of what we're doing here, but for the main channel was what we put up on the YouTube. Well, we got that. That's a much better image. I could have played with trying to get the facial process better, but look, I'll just leave it like that. The video's already been published. Really, the reason why I wanted to get it done is these ones here, the January stuff gets released this week. So I wanted to get the new thumbnails out because I like this new thumbnail art. So, well, I said, well, this was the thumbnail I had for this one here. This talking about the Tabian Barn here in Thailand. I then gave it a picture of the Tabian Barn. Not to be getting, that's a picture of me holding the Tabian Barn because I didn't actually think at the time to actually hold the Tabian Barn, and you get the whole idea because I only have one Tabian Barn. You can't open it and have the yellow book because it's one of those sort of things. Anyway, so we discussed it briefly, and it did that. Why banks want this, and that says something. People will probably be interested to know about that, especially here in Thailand. Then, of course, I went through, what was the next one? Yes, this one here onto Thailand is 2 countries now. Right, so, again, it's another one discussing inside, nighttime. There's my car and my scooter and my bike, and it produced this one. I'm going, hold on a second, how did the Tabian barn get into that? Doesn't make quite a lot of sense. So, yeah, well, again, this image is far too busy. It gets lost in everything. Remove the yellow book as it's not relevant to the video. And it complied. Again, this is getting a bit weird. That's been like an hour into it, and it's complying. It's complying. What's going on here, man? It's producing these images. I was a bit surprised. Anyway, we pivoted from there and we started doing stuff. As I said, that's where I brought this up. We started doing the main channel stuff. That's where it's there again, trying to get this stuff. I don't know where we were. Yeah, so we had this image. This is where we got really stumped, right? Now, I'll ask you people, what's wrong with this image? Is there something wrong with this image? I can't see anything wrong with this image. And again, what was it? Where were we here? YouTube had no problem with the image. We got it up there. That was our original branding and everything else for that video. It did not too bad, for a Songkran video. That's what I fed it. I did nothing really inappropriate, and quite happy to, totally intellectually on board, giving me that variation prevents audience fatigue. Well, it started to feel like, okay, Songkran, create. We're sorry, but this image we created may violate our policies. If you think we've got it wrong, please retry or edit your prompt. My prompt was, there's an image, there's what we did on YouTube, make a thumbnail. That's my prompt, I'm not telling you anything. Right, and I'm fighting it. Yep, looks clean. We're sorry. Look, we're sorry. Anyway, I had to resort. So, well, I'll do it. I won't fucking debate it then. Okay. I do, seriously, what's going wrong? You're the one who's writing the prompt. I'm not doing anything. It's your prompt you're taking the idea, writing a prompt in such a way that it can be passed into the secondary image processing system, which I think is DALL-E. So you've got a guardrail there that you've created yourself, right? And you're breaking your own guardrails, man. What's going on here? I'm not happy with this. What's going on, Anyway, so finally I just said, just give me the label. Right, I'll do it myself, which, of course, that's what I did. I went over here, got the label, right, and we composited like that, and we sent it out like that. Yeah, so sometimes you are going to struggle with these things, and they are going to trip you up, and give you some bit of grief. But, again, and when we had a problem and we pivoted straight back in, as if nothing was wrong. What was wrong with that one there? I can't remember. We changed something. Oh, that's right. Again, we've been doing these things 16 by 9, for thumbnails, and all of a sudden, okay, well, 4 by, okay, I don't know what resolution that is in, but it's not useful, right? So, how about we try to get the proportions right, Sashi? Again, reproportion. Simple prompts. That's all I'm trying to get at. They were very simple. The stuff I've been doing before was really, really sort of, quite engineered to get some sort of results. I started doing this thing on Sunday and I'm going, what? It's actually working. This doesn't make any sense whatsoever, if you know what I mean. Anyway, as I said, what we do here, we try to take you down these little rabbit holes, me making mistakes, me showing you what works and what doesn't, maybe giving you some ideas. It also, it's aligned a little bit with my other channel, the fact that, nobody on my main channel wants to know what we're talking about with AI, but this is what I do here in my little cave here, if you know what I mean, in Fonzie's garage, if you notice. I made that in AI as well. Of course, the little thing down here on the bottom, on that little thing there, it's covering the, what's that? It's covering the little symbol for the AI generation from the image. I got a bit of a blur on that. Trouble with you using these overlay image processing things. Anyway, I'm getting off subject. I've got my phone ringing off the bell, so I'm going to wrap it up here and leave you to your own devices. Like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Love you. Have you come and join our Discord. We love to have you. Chat along and tell us what you're doing wrong with you. Maybe we could do some live stream. Come on, get together, have fun, and let's start exploring. Let's start creating.